Hate spending hours scrubbing, dusting, and sweeping? These smart Amazon cleaning gadgets are designed to take the work off your hands and keep your home spotless with minimal effort. From tackling tough messes to handling daily upkeep, they make cleaning faster, easier, and way less stressful. All the products are linked in the description below. Crumbs on the floor? No problem. This electrostatic sweeper grabs dirt, dust, and pet hair like a magnet the second it touches the ground. It works on both carpets and hard floors, gliding quietly under furniture and into tight spots. No cords, no batteries, just quick, effortless cleaning whenever you need it. When you're done, press to empty the bin, and you're ready for the next mess. Hate the hassle of cleaning windows? Let a robot handle it for you. This smart window cleaner sticks firmly to the glass with powerful suction, while dual water sprays leave every surface streak-free. Edge detection keeps it safe from slipping off, and it navigates around frames with ease. You can control it with the app or remote, sit back, and watch it do the work. Clear views, no effort required. Wrinkles don't stand a chance with this mini garment steamer. It heats up in just 15 seconds, giving you a smooth flow of steam that lasts for up to 10 minutes. Lightweight and easy to hold, you can use it at any angle without worrying about water spots. Perfect for travel or quick touch-ups at home. It keeps your clothes looking fresh and crisp wherever you are. Scrubbing by hand takes forever, so let your drill do the hard work. This 15-piece power scrubber set turns any drill into a cleaning machine. Different brush heads tackle tubs, tiles, carpets, and even car wheels without scratching. Flexible extensions reach tight corners and under fixtures, while heavy-duty pads handle stubborn grease in the kitchen. Just snap on an attachment, press the trigger, and watch grime disappear in seconds. Leaves, bugs, and debris don't stand a chance against this robotic pool skimmer. With powerful dual motors and smart AI navigation, it glides across the water, collecting everything from twigs to oily residue. You can switch modes, dock it, or check the battery right from your phone. Its oversized filter traps loads of debris without spilling. Drop it in, relax, and enjoy a spotless pool without lifting a net. Here's a mop that works while you rest. This 3-spin robot uses powerful rotating pads and steady pressure to scrub away dirt from hard floors and tiles. It runs ultra quiet, so you can enjoy peace while it cleans. A built-in water tank keeps the mops damp for consistent results, and smart sensors prevent bumps or falls. With simple remote control, you're just one button press away from sparkling floors. Dust in the car, crumbs on the couch, or dirt in your keyboard, this little gadget tackles it all. With a powerful motor, it delivers 3 suction levels strong enough to pull out stubborn debris from the tightest spots. But it's more than a vacuum. It also blows air, inflates, and even helps with vacuum sealing. Lightweight and cordless, it fits in one hand and goes wherever you need it. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to pure steam power. This cleaner blasts away grease, grime, and germs using nothing but superheated steam. With 17 included attachments, you can tackle floors, tiles, upholstery, kitchens, bathrooms, even car interiors with ease. A single fill gives you nearly an hour of non-stop cleaning. Compact and portable, it's designed to reach every corner, leaving your space fresh, sanitized, and spotless. Tired of scrubbing floors on your hands and knees? This cordless electric mop takes the hard work out of cleaning. Its powerful rotating pads scrub away dirt, while a built-in water spray handles stains with ease. A smart display shows your battery life and cleaning mode, so you're always in control. With an LED light to spot messes in dark corners, you get spotless floors without breaking a sweat. Grill nights just got a whole lot easier. This little robot takes over the messy job of scrubbing your BBQ grates. Just place it on, press start, and its spinning brushes power through grease and char while you relax. It even beeps when it's finished, so you know the work is done. Now you can focus on the food and fun instead of the cleanup. Staying hydrated just got smarter. This insulated bottle purifies your water with UV light, zapping away bacteria and keeping the inside fresh, all on its own. The built-in filter improves taste by removing chlorine and other contaminants. Pair it with the app to track how much you drink and set hydration goals. And with double wall insulation, your water stays icy cold all day long. Who knew scrubbing the toilet could feel this easy? This electric brush spins at high speed, tackling stains way faster than a regular scrubber. The soft silicone head flexes to reach every corner without scratching the bowl. Its ventilated base keeps things dry and odor-free, and you can even mount it on the wall. Recharge it when needed and let it handle the dirty work for you. What if your leftovers could actually help your plants? This electric composter takes food scraps and grinds them into a dry, odor-free powder you can use as fertilizer. Its triple blade system chews through waste from every angle, even tougher scraps. Just press a button and let it run overnight. By morning, the mess is gone. No more smelly bins, just cleaner kitchens and happier plants. Clogs don't stand a chance with this electric plunger. Instead of exhausting manual pumps, it blasts high-pressure air straight into the pipes to clear blockages fast. The angled head seals tightly, so you won't deal with splashes or messy cleanups. Multiple attachments mean it works on sinks and drains too, not just toilets. Recharge it with a simple USB-C cable, and you're always ready for the next backup. Pet hair hiding in your carpets? This clever rake pulls it all up in seconds. Its copper bristle head grabs fur, lint, and dust without damaging rugs or furniture. The long handle means no more bending or back strain. You just push and watch the mess lift away. Built tough and completely reusable, it works on carpets, couches, mats, and more. Finally, a simple way to win the battle against pet hair. Smudges, crumbs, and dust don't stand a chance with this 20-in-1 cleaning kit. It's packed with tools to tackle every gadget, soft brushes for keyboards, a cleaning pen for earbuds, spray and microfiber cloth for streak-free screens, even a blower for camera lenses. Compact and reusable, it keeps your phone, laptop, AirPods, and more looking brand new. One kit, every device spotless. Cleaning your ears doesn't have to feel risky or uncomfortable. This smart irrigator uses gentle water streams to safely flush out wax without cotton swabs. A built-in sensor makes sure the water is always at the perfect temperature, so you never have to worry about it being too hot or cold. You can choose from 4 pressure levels depending on your needs. Plus, the waterproof design makes it easy to rinse and clean right in the sink or shower. Imagine a pool that practically cleans itself while you relax. This cordless robotic vacuum glides across the floor, walls, and even the waterline, scrubbing away dirt and debris. Its smart navigation system maps out an efficient path, so no spot gets missed. With 4 cleaning modes, you can choose a quick touch-up or a deep clean. The large filter traps everything from leaves to fine particles, leaving your pool sparkling and ready to dive in. Your favorite sweater doesn't have to look worn out. This rechargeable fabric shaver quickly removes lint, fuzz, and pilling to bring clothes back to life. With 3 speed settings, you can treat delicate fabrics or tackle thicker upholstery without worry. The LED screen shows battery life and speed at a glance, so you're always in control. Fast Type-C charging and a long-lasting battery make fabric care simple and effortless. No one likes stepping into damp shoes after a long day. This foldable boot dryer uses warm air to quickly remove moisture, keeping your footwear dry and comfortable. The telescopic arms adjust to fit different shoe styles, from work boots to sneakers and even gloves. A smart timer lets you set it and forget it, saving energy while protecting your gear. Quiet, compact, and portable, it's a must-have for rainy days and winter weather. Scrubbing tough messes doesn't have to wear you out. This clever cleaning brush is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, so you can tackle dirt without straining your wrists. It comes with plenty of disposable pads that stick on easily and lift away grime. Perfect for glass, toilets, and other tricky surfaces, it makes cleaning faster and more efficient. Durable and practical, it keeps your home fresh with less effort. Fresh feet start with fresh shoes. This rechargeable deodorizer slips right inside your sneakers or boots and uses ozone technology to break down odors at the source. No sprays, no chemicals, just pure freshness that reaches every corner of the fabric. It runs automatically and shuts off when finished, leaving zero mess behind. Long-lasting and portable, it keeps your footwear clean and ready wherever you go. Sweeping just got smarter. This cordless floor sweeper glides across hardwood, tile, and short rugs with ease, powered by a rotating brush that picks up dust and crumbs in seconds. Its triangular head reaches tight corners that brooms usually miss, and the built-in LED light makes dirt easier to spot. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it runs for up to half an hour on a single charge. When you're done, emptying the dustbin takes just one quick click. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a little household helper. Equipped with a mechanical arm, it can move small items out of the way, like socks or tissues, before finishing the clean underneath. Its powerful suction tackles dirt and dust, while the mop system scrubs floors with hot water for extra shine. Smart navigation helps it glide around furniture and cables without getting stuck. And the self-cleaning dock takes care of the mess for weeks of hands-free cleaning.